Hi, this is Karen Donovan, and I'd like to welcome you to a tour of Donovan Brothers Realty, Hicksville, Long Island, New York. This 1927 colonial home houses our office. We like to say, we hope that you feel at home while we're helping you buy or sell your home. As you drive up our driveway, you'll notice that we've got plenty of parking in the back for customers, agents, and office staff. We've had to retrofit this home to fit our needs and basically make it still feel like a house, but function like an office. Everyone enters through the back door because that's where our reception area is. We at Donovan Brothers Realty also like to have fun while working, and sometimes we have picnics or jams or cookouts. The first thing people comment on when they come to our office is how homey it feels. Our reception area offers plenty of room for agents and clients to discuss real estate matters. There are several seating areas where the agents can work and meet with clients and customers. We also have what we affectionately call as the phone booth. It used to be a closet. It actually was like a little butler's pantry, I think, at one time, back in the day. But we retrofitted it, and now this is where our agents can help their clients and customers keep in tune with the market. Well, thanks so much for taking a little sneak peek into what goes on at Donovan Brothers Realty. We hope to be talking to you again very soon and seeing you here at our home. Until then, remember, keep in tune with the market and make it a great day.